In this situation, we're being given a line that has a y-intercept of 40 and a slope that we can get by looking at the line. So slope is rise over run as you go from left to right. So as we go from the red point to the blue point, we're rising negative 40, we're going down 40, and we're running 60. So the slope in this situation, which is rise over run, is negative 40 over 60, which simplifies to negative 2 over 3. And as we said already, the y-intercept here is 40. So getting the full equation of that line in mx plus b format, we know that it's negative 2/3 x plus 40. Now that obviously doesn't match any of the answer choices, but we know for a fact right now that it's not A or C, because if it's in a y equals format, the slope is going to be negative 2 over 3. So what we need to do right now is something that we are seeing here and there on the SAT. It's the idea of reverse simplifying. So it's definitely something unique for people who haven't done it before. But the idea is that we're going to kind of make this thing look more complicated than before. And looking at these two answer choices here, the format that those are in is called standard form. So taking an equation and moving it into standard form is something you need to know how to do for the SAT. So what we really need right now is to get rid of this denominator here, because that denominator is the difference really between what we have and what we need. So let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 3. That'll give us 3y is negative 2x plus 120. So for this part, it multiplied. For this part, it canceled against the denominator. And for here, it actually multiplied. Now we'll add 2x to both sides. And it'll look like this. Now looking at the two viable answer choices, one of them starts with 8x, one starts with 12x. So just kind of ask yourself, what will we need to get to 8 or 12? To get to 8, we'd have to multiply by 4. To get to 12, we'd have to multiply by 6. So let's do the one on the right first. 12x plus 18y is 720, and that doesn't match any answer choices. And multiplying by 4, 8x plus 12y equals 480, and that matches answer choice B.